He stopped. He was doing a walk and then he stopped. This guy's having a munch. It's a munchy munch. A munchy friend. Oh, there he goes. Oh, that was a cute little hop.
Luca, calm down.
He was so cute.
We need a red panda and call her Luca.
Yes.
It's a huge one.
He's going, he's sticking his head in the hole. Oh look, a random hole.
It's a huge beldam.
Let's stick our head
If I
inside.
evolve him, he becomes a huge metagross.
Yes. That is how that works. Hi.